And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger, y'all. So if you guys don't know, I started a series of trading 10 accounts on 2 phones. The Lucid 25K accounts, 5 of them, were going to be traded from the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the TakeProfit Trader 25K accounts were going to be traded on the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7. Well, bearer of bad news. So we've lost 2 evals with Lucid. So I currently have one Lucid 25K Pro account. That is a funded account. We still got that, and we also have 2 25K Flex accounts from Lucid. So we have 3 accounts with Lucid, and then we still have 5 TakeProfit Trader accounts. So that equals 8. So we lost 2 of them. What I wanted to do, guys, was give you a quick recap of where the accounts are. So let's start with the TakeProfit Trader accounts. I'm gonna slide me over here. All right, so we're gonna go to the first account, account 10. Today we made $129 on the first TakeProfit Trader 25K account. These are all evals on TakeProfit Trader. Let's go to the second account, account 62. We did not trade that account today. We left that alone. We're sitting in a decent spot. Account number 3, 29. We did not trade that account today. We left that alone. We're sitting at a good spot. This account currently has $25,504. We need $1,500 to pass. We got $1,000 left. When we go back to account 2, we have roughly about $1,200 left to make in order to pass this account. And then the first one, we need about $1,000 more to pass that. Let's go to the fourth account. We did not trade this account today. We left this alone. We need about $1,200 more to pass this account. The last account. So this was the worst of all of them. The worst of the TakeProfit Trader accounts. So we had this account down almost $700. So I've been trying to trade this heavy in order to gain back the profits, man. Same thing I was trying to do with Lucid. It's all right. It's all good, man. I'm still taking my setups. It's just the Lucid account the last 2 Lucid accounts that I lost, I've been trying to do this the same way. Taking my same setup, sticking with the strategy, the risk management, the discipline, trying not to get greedy, trying to push it over the little edge, trying to push it over the edge just a little bit. But, you know what I'm saying? Just the setups work with other accounts, man. So it's all good, man. But you see, this was the worst of all of the TakeProfit Trader accounts. We made $723 today in this account. This officially puts this account back at break even. This is all the accounts for TakeProfit Trader, man. So now we're going to go to the Lucid accounts. All right, y'all. So we are now officially on the Lucid accounts. So starting with account number 1, as you guys can see, this is the funded account right there where it says LTF. That means Lucid Funded. That's the Pro account. The Pro is differently from the Flex. The Flex, you have to trade 5 days and make $100 and you get half of your profits. With the Pro accounts, I like to trade 25K accounts if you haven't noticed. But with the Pro account, the 25K Pro Lucid account, funded account, I have to get at the buffer of $26,000, and then anything after that I can request. So as you guys can see, we made $270 in our only funded account. The other 7 are evals. So we currently have this account at $25,805. We only need $200 more to hit the buffer. Then once we hit the buffer, anything after that is payout requests. So you have to hit the buffer of $26,000, and then you have to have 3 trading days. We're way past the 3 trading days. We've been trading this for almost a week. We're way past that. Now it's just trying to get over the buffer to get at the buffer. We got to get to the buffer, then find another good setup, take a trade, and then hopefully we have a successful trade. Then we're able to have a payout request, man. That is the game plan, guys. We're just gonna take it slow and easy, man. We almost there with this funded account. I would like a $500 or $1,000 payout. We almost there though. So let's go to the next one. Number 9. We ended up blowing this account, man. So I stuck to my risk management, stuck to the strategy, and I stuck to the discipline. I just lost like 4 or 5 trades in a row with this, man. Today was 4. I lost 4 trades today in this account. I switched between 6 accounts today. I traded 6 accounts today. All the other 5 did good. It's just this one didn't do too well with the setups, man. Hey, you win some, lose some. So I switched. I was rotating, man. I would trade another account, come back to this, another account, come back to this, another account, come back to this. Then I traded the other accounts and then finally came back to this, and then we ended up losing. So it is what it is. It's all good. I'm not tripping, man. We got 8 more left. We just gonna keep doing what we do. We gonna keep pushing. We gonna keep pressing, man. Let's go account number 11. Account number 11. Eval, we made 280 bucks. This account was down, so we ended up bringing it back over break even, which is good. It's all right. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man. So this is currently sitting at $25,162, roughly needing about 13 and a half, $1,300.50 in order to pass this. You already know about that. This is the other eval. We made $155 in account 13. We need about 1,100. We need about 1,100 more dollars, somewhere in there, maybe a little bit more change in order to pass this account, man. So this is where all the accounts are, y'all. So I currently have 7 evals. All my TakeProfit Trader accounts are all evals, and 2 of these evals on Lucid are evals, and then the only funded account I have is the Lucid 25k funded pro. It's a pro account. We just gonna keep taking it little by little, brick by brick, man. We gotta stick to the strategy, which is the liquidity swings, supply and demand, break and retest, breakout. I like to trade all those strategies, man. We gotta stick to the strategy that we know, like 3 or 4 of them that we consistently stay with. We gotta stay disciplined. Number 2, I can't do this unless I stay disciplined, man. I'm trying to do something different, man. I'm trading 8 accounts on 2 phones, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7. Number 3, we got to use proper risk management. I'm not over leveraging. I'm not going to oversize. I know what ticks me off by over leveraging, and it don't go my way, and then I go tilt. In order to fix that, we're not going to oversize. So sticking to the strategy, having discipline, risk management. You want to know what number 4 is? Number 4 is not getting greedy. I can't get greedy in this. I got to take my profits and deal. Bye. See you later. I got to get up out of there, man. Taking my profits and leaving. And when I have all 5 of these, I am Captain Planet. Anybody know that old cartoon? With all powers combined, I am Captain Planet. With all powers combined, when I have all 5 of them all together, all 4 of them together making 5, hey man, we're gonna do great things with the accounts, man. So this is the current state of all 8 accounts, man. So see you guys the next time I trade. I'm gonna do an update every time I trade, man. Give you an update on the accounts, whether I trade them or not. If I trade one for the whole day, guess what? I'm gonna do a recap. So you guys stay tuned, man. Thank you for tuning in. And you know what the motto is. It's Core the Phone Trader, baby. Y'all know what time it is, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Core the Phone Trader got coming out, man. And you know the motto after every video I do. In 3, 2, 1. I holla. Peace out. Man, we out of here until the next recap. Peace.
Corey's got his eyes on the prize. We do it God's way. We